Home is a place where you spend time with those you love the most. Protect it from the threat of invading bugs and keep your space secure with Ortho Home Defense Insect Killer for indoor and perimeter with the Comfort Wand Applicator. Unlike other products that require you to continually spray to control bugs, one application of Ortho Home Defense Insect Killer for indoor and perimeter provides control of ants, roaches, and spiders for up to 12 months. And with the Comfort Wand Applicator, covering large areas like the outdoor perimeter of your house is a snap. To use, pull the strip to activate batteries. Then remove wand and unfold until it clicks into place. Unwrap the hose and insert connector into the spout on the bottle cap until it clicks. Hold the sprayer 12 inches from surfaces. Apply a 4-inch band along the interior of your home in areas where insects are a recurring problem. Spray until slightly wet without soaking. For outdoor use, hold the sprayer 12 inches from surfaces being sprayed. Apply a 12-inch band along the exterior perimeter of your home in areas where insects are a recurring problem. Spray until slightly wet without soaking. When finished, switch trigger to lock. Target bugs inside your home and keep them out for up to 12 months with Ortho Home Defense Insect Killer for indoor and perimeter with the Comfort Wand Applicator.